So if the user did not type in or just hit enter, I want to add a new item to my names list. How do we do that? Well, we do names, and then we introduce another new bit of syntax. I know today has been pretty much introducing new syntax left and right, but the new bit of syntax we're going to be talking about is the dot operator. The dot operator, when applied to certain types of variables, or actually all variables, allows us to access a large amount of functionality that is associated with the type of variable we're using. Because names is a list of string, it has a method on it. Whoops, I said method, but it has a bit of functionality on it called add. So what I can do is I can say names dot, the dot is very significant, add. And that says I want to perform the add operation on the names variable. Okay, so add is a method. And it's a method that takes in an argument. The argument it takes in is whatever we want to add to the name list, which in this case is going to be input. So while we are entering names, we prompt the user, we gather input, we check to see if the input is not blank. If it isn't, we add it to our collection. If the input is blank, we exit our while loop. So now we can go on and on and on and keep on typing in names until we're done typing in names. So that's pretty cool.